guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my pamper routine, pregnant edition. I think the last time I shared my spa routine was over maybe a year and a half ago with you guys. So I was like, okay, it's time for an updated, and my preggers is a little bit different too. So I said this is perfect because this is how I pamper myself. I always like to start with something to drink. Since I'm pregnant, I have to do water, which is fine. But you know, when I wasn't pregnant, I was doing wine. But cold water is great. You can infuse it if you want to with cucumbers or mint or fruit. I just really didn't want to. And then I always like to go ahead and turn my air diffuser on. I like to add some type of essential oil to it. Today I'm doing eucalyptus. And I've had this diffuser for a while, since my old house. It was in my old spa video. I got it on clearance at, I think, Burlington maybe. I can't even remember. But they have tons of them on Amazon. And I plan on getting me a new one soon. And then I talked to my Google and tell my Google to turn on some relaxation music. And I'm gonna go ahead and start my bath first. I don't have my bath water too hot because I'm pregnant. If I wasn't pregnant, I would have it like scorching hot. But being pregnant, I just do a warm bath. I take a bath literally almost every night. I am a bath girl. But for my spa nights, I like to go a little bit farther out. I always add my bath wash. I'm a huge fan of Bath & Body Works aromatherapy products. So I'm adding some bubble bath. I'm also adding some Epsom salt. And I shared this little hack with you guys in my bathroom organization video. I just keep it in a glass jar, and then I add some type of oil, which I love this Bath & Body Works oil, the sleep oil. Oh my god, like it just makes your skin so moist. You guys are gonna see when I get out the tub how moist my skin is before I even put any type of moisture or lotion on my skin. Just adding it to your bath water just literally moisturizes your skin like instantly, and it does not take a lot of this oil. That's why I like that Bath & Body Works aromatherapy oil. And then I have to light me some candles. I have candles all around my tub, so I make sure I light those just to give me some really nice scents. I love candles that smell good. Huge scents girl, but yep, I like candles all around my bath. And then it's just time to relax. And because I have this huge window in above my tub, a lot of times I just look out of it. I just think about the things I'm grateful for. I like to pray. I like to close my eyes. I also drink the water to keep me hydrated. But it's just the perfect time to relax and just thank God for all the wonderful blessings He's given me in my life. So after I've relaxed, I then start to wash. I always go with soap first. I do have sensitive skin, so I use just a mild soap to wash with. And then after I've washed, I do a sugar scrub with this aromatherapy oil-based scrub. And when I tell you, it's so moisturizing. And being pregnant, I just like to keep my skin super moisturized. I'm trying my best to minimize the stretch marks. I know I probably can't prevent them 100%, but I am trying my best to prevent them as much as possible. And one with a lot of moisture, so this sugar scrub is great to exfoliate with. And now it's time to get out. And then once I'm out, of course, I need to replenish my body with water. As you can see, look how moisturizing my skin is. This is without oil. It's just literally just the moisture from the bath. And then I apply some virgin olive oil to my skin. I do apply the oil to my stomach, my back, my breasts, my hips and butt, you know, the areas where you're expanding while you're pregnant. I couldn't show all of that on camera, but you get my gist. That's what I'm telling you. And then after I apply my oil, I like to come back and apply my cocoa shea butter from Bath & Body Works. I do have a number of different mixtures I use. This is just what I'm using tonight. Sometimes I use different oil or different moisturizer or 100% shea butter and stuff like that. I do switch it up so that my skin gets a number of different nutrients in my skin, but tonight that's what I'm doing. And I actually put this lotion on my entire body, my full body. I always lotion my full body, but I definitely like to do extra moisturizing to my belly, my my back, breast, butt, hips, all those areas prone to fat. So now I just throw my robe on so I can start on my face now. On my daily nightly routine, I usually actually take my makeup before I get in the bath, but since I'm doing a facial tonight, I just decided to wait till after my bath. So I'm gonna start by using this makeup remover wipe to remove all my makeup. This wipe is a cucumber wipe. It's for sensitive skin and it's so calming, so soothing. If I can find it, I will link it below, but I really love these wipes. They're cucumber based. But yep, and I just remove all of my makeup. And since the wipes do not entirely remove all your makeup, I still go in a wash because I'm gonna steam my face. And so you don't wanna steam your face because when you steam your face and open up your pores, you don't want to open up your pores and you still have dirt on your face. So I wanna go in there and super cleanse my skin, make sure all the makeup is off and it's nice and clean before I steam my face. And I'm just using a gentle cream cleanser for my face. If you guys want me to come back and do a skincare routine, all the things like, because I'm not doing everything in this video, this is just my spa night, so I'm showing you just a few things that I do, but this is not my daily skincare routine. If you want to see my daily, I can do that later in the future. Just let me know in the comments. The steamer that I'm using, I actually got on Amazon. It was super inexpensive, and I love the fact that it has a nasal steamer as well as a facial steamer, so if you're congested, you can use the nozzle one. But yeah, I'm just gonna steam my face for about 8 minutes, and then after I finish steaming, I'm going to add a mud mask. I'm using this Yes to Calming mud mask made from cucumbers. I have super sensitive skin, and this cucumber mask I have fell in love with over the past year. I really do love it, and I love this one because it's a roller, so I don't even have to get my hands dirty. What? That's one thing I really love about this one, because it's a roller. Don't have to get the hands dirty. You can just roll the mask on your face. So yeah, and this jar actually has lasted me so far maybe about 6 facials so far, and it's still a lot left, so it'll probably get me to about 10 or 12 total. And I had to sit on my bar stool for my facial. You guys know from my bathroom hacks, I put in a bar stool here in my bathroom, and I love it. I do not regret it at all, especially being preggers. I don't like being on my feet a lot. And that's just me being silly. And I also am gonna go ahead and add me a lip scrub on here while I'm waiting on this to dry. I usually leave my mud mask on for about 20 minutes, but this lip scrub is a sugar scrub, so you can technically lick it, eat it, all of that is fine, and it tastes really good, by the way. But yeah, I go on and scrub my lips while I'm doing my facial and waiting around. Now my face feels nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and apply an oil tonight. This is a roll tip oil that I'm using. I'm a huge fan of oils. I use a lot of different type of oils. If you guys want to see like my oils and my DIY routines, I can share that in another video. But tonight I'm applying my roll tip oil for my face. I'm not using a toner tonight. Again, this is not my daily routine. Because I steamed, I like to actually go ahead and put an oil in my open pores. And then now I'm going to apply my 100% African shea butter to my face. This makes your face shiny and greasy. FYI, but I'm going to bed. I'm not going anywhere this evening, so I just want my skin to go ahead and soak up as much moisture and nutrients as it can. So I love using 100% shea butter. It's greasy, but it's super moisturizing. And don't forget about your neck. Always make sure to wash your neck and also moisturize your neck, the front and the back. Throw me on some chapsticks so my lips aren't dry. Now I'm gonna apply my DIY mascara oil. Guys, I have to say, ever since I've been doing this, my lashes have thickened up. They may not be as long as thick as others, but from where I came from, because I used to wear fake lashes all the time in college, and I did not take care of them. I was not pulling them off properly, so they damaged my lashes. So this DIY oil has definitely helped them to grow. Like I said, I'm a big oil person. I love oils. If you guys want me to just come back and show you all my my DIY oils that I use on my face and my skin, just let me know and I can come back in the future and do a whole video on that. I also sometimes like to go ahead and do my nails on my pamper nights if I have time. But guys, this baby was hungry, so I had to go eat. But yep, that's it. So my face is nice and clean and moisturized, and now it's just time to relax and enjoy my evening. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as let me know what you do in your pamper routines.